Hello and welcome to another video of a unique car model. This time we have a concept car. It's not in the market. I bought it from somebody, so that's why you can see it's not a very good shape car. Actually, yeah, I didn't notice this before. Anyways, oh, and there is a missing stick. Anyways, this car, it is Daimler Chrysler Dodge concept car, and I don't have a year or anything, but the car is still in not bad condition. It's having very nice details. The car is very heavy. Maybe you can feel I am struggling with carrying this car. What I really like about this car is the proportion. So as you can see, the car is kind of very slim and tall. You can see it actually clearly. And the front is kind of unique. So as you can see, headlights, it's really unique design. And again, the side, here is the back. Back is very nice as well. You can see here is Dodge, and if you can actually notice, there is some texture in the back light, both sides. Very nice. I like these two lines here underneath. It's really cool. So let's have a look. Engine. This is kind of loose, but the engine is very detailed, if I may say. As you can see here. And how about here? Oh, okay, here you go. Oh, what's that? Oh, I believe that is just... Oh, here you go. What do you know? That is a stick. So I guess I need to fix it in place later on, but let's leave it where it was for now. And that is the cover, just to cover the car. I don't know why the metal is loose, but it's very well made, to be honest. It is very well made. Doors open, no problem. Wheel, front wheel, steering, no problem. It's actually beautiful concepts. Imagine yourself driving this car on the street in real. It's really nice, really nice. I love it. Alright, so that is the end of this video. I really liked this video, and I hope you like it as well, and see you next time.